So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Filipina Life with Mia. So for today's episode, it's gonna be the condo where I live, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the pool first. So is this the tower one, right?
Tower 1, Tower 2.
So this is the tower 1, and the tower 2 is where we live. So this is where we take the exercise.
No, that's where we swim.
Yeah, exercise is swimming, right?
Yeah.
So this is the pool. See how beautiful it is. And come say. So in that place there, we live up there. I'm not gonna say where, what floor, because that's private. And here we have the game room. Wait. We have the game room, but this is closed. And of course we have to pay for the entrance. And inside the game room there's a pool that you could play. What else? There's a lounge. There's a dart and and also there's a TV. So yeah. What's that there? Like what is that?
I don't know.
And also that one.
That's another condo.
Oh. That's the kids pool.
Actually, that's the jacuzzi.
Is it?
Yeah,
It looks like the pool.
that's the kids pool over there.
Oh. But they look like the same though. So this is the entrance. How beautiful it is. Show them the lunch baby. It is so beautiful. I like that setup. And then there's the gym. Can we go in?
Yes, we can go in.
So I bet there's people. So this is the gym. Oh, they are renovating. I don't want you to film people. Maybe they don't want to be in.
Spa.
And this is the spa for female. It's locked, of course. And the locker room and shower room for female. And that's the male part. The locker or shower and the spa room.
It's locked, but you can ask them to open.
Yeah.
It's actually open, it's not. It's just locked for convenience.
So you could ask them to.
Open.
And there's a function room over there.
Mm-hmm.
So welcome to our condo. At first, we have this intercom. It's for security purpose. Like if there's someone like
Something is wrong.
Yeah, you just have to call it in here, and then
Also, if you want to ask about pass to swim or pass for the gym, you can just hit the
call
button,
them.
call them, and let them know.
Yeah. So we have the washer and dryer. First we thought we're not gonna use it, but then we're always home and just put on our laundry, and it's kind of convenient to us.
It's very
Like,
convenient.
Yeah, like
Because we
before-
really thought we wouldn't use it at all.
Yeah, because like we're always taking our laundry to the laundry people.
Yeah.
And pay like 200, 300, right?
200-300 peso, like
Yeah.
$4 to $6.
But like now we're here, we always use it.
It's not because of the money, or it's just its convenience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have the stove here, and it only has a 2-plate,
Yeah.
unlike the house that we rented before.
Had 4 plates.
It has 4 plates.
But even in the house we rented before, we only really used 2.
Yeah.
So
Not even like we usually use
just
one.
one, yeah.
So
Now it also has a hood range, so
hood
you,
range.
you can pull that out and automatically, and in there you can also turn on the lights. See there?
Is it? I know it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can turn on the lights,
Oh.
and when you turn that, yeah, and lots of space here. Pantry
Yeah,
space,
there's
yeah.
a lot of space here and there also. Like we all have the kitchen stuff here. Put the pans and pots.
Mm-hmm.
That is where we put it, and this is our.
And up here is food, right?
Yeah, that's the food place and the plates.
That's, and there's more space up here, but we don't really use it, so.
No, we don't.
There's plenty of space. We have a microwave oven.
That's their microwave
No,
oven.
but
I mean, we use it.
we have a microwave oven, a rice cooker. That's actually we got rid of their rice cooker. We put it in storage and bought a smaller one because
it's too big. It's taking the space up. Like,
yeah, theirs is so big. And also we got our own kettle, which is a bit smaller than the one that was there originally.
that is modern also.
Yeah.
We like it like that.
So.
And this is our workstation where we work and make videos.
This is my new workstation.
Yeah, that's his place.
With my microphone, which I've been missing. So now I got good audio, and Mia will have good audio when she does her stuff.
And this is where I sit, and
Yep.
this is my face here.
Yeah.
So
I have the bigger screen because I have the bad eyes.
bad eyes.
She can see really small, but I can't. So I have the big screen. So, and then
this is where we sit, eat, and watch TV.
yeah, we like to eat while we watch movies. So
Yeah.
we'll put our food here.
It's kind of like a crime if we're just sitting and not watching.
Yeah.
You know.
And then in the morning, what do we like to do?
We like to sit down here.
Have a coffee.
Have a coffee, because it has a wonderful view outside. As you can see, the pool, and then over there, the
ocean.
The ocean. And you could also see, if you can see the kids playing, that's also fun.
Yeah.
So this is really beautiful. And the next stop is our bedroom. The bedroom is, the bed is not so big. Like,
It's a bit small.
yeah, it's a bit small. So we have the extra mattress where
Because sometimes Paul needs to sleep alone.
Yeah, he needs to sleep alone. So also this is where I sleep, and I also have the beautiful view here. Like just the same, but it's still beautiful.
To look up to the stars at night
Yeah.
and the moon. Then we have you want
This
to
is
show them how
our
much space we have?
closet. There's a lot of space in there.
A lot, yeah.
Yeah.
Then also there we have space.
This is that is so messy. That's my
Yeah.
No,
we still need a bit of organizing.
yeah.
And then we have also here.
That is your closet.
That's kind of my closet, yeah.
Yeah, that is where you put all your stuff.
So there's
And
my
then
stuff,
our bathroom.
which is a bit messy.
Yes, it is.
So you guys have seen that before. We can use some old footage because
As you can see, it's all messy. There's a lot
yeah,
of
we need to organize it. We're gonna get some shelves or stuff, but
yeah. There's a lot of stuff that we need to put here because
not a lot, just
not a
few
lot, but
things.
just maybe 3,
Yeah.
2
That's where we put our shoes,
shoe racks.
our keys in here. Yeah.
So, and also I want to show you here. We have our own this called?
Fuse box.
Fuse box.
And that's for the generator.
This one.
Turns on the generator.
So it's really nice here. Like you don't need to worry about the
Brownouts.
brownouts because you have the
Fast
generator,
internet.
fast internet, beautiful view,
Nice aircon.
nice aircon. Like it's just
Beautiful girl.
like this is enough. You know, like
One thing missing.
is it the
Hmm?
what's missing?
Big TV. We have a small TV.
No, you wanted a 50-inch.
50-inch, yeah.
You wanted a 50-inch TV, but I think that's too big, right? So, okay, so I hope you guys enjoy our condo tour, condo tour, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if good, please. And if you're not yet subscribed, tell me why. And also, comment in the comment section below what you like and what do you think about the condo. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to Paul's Asian Adventure. He has a really good channel and good topic also. You could also see the whole condo tour there before we moved in. So
before and also while I'm unpacking everything.
Yeah, before and after everything was unpacked.
Yeah,
so,
all the furniture. Okay guys, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to Mia's channel and comment, like, and share. Especially the sharing, that really helps. Her channel is really taking off. She's at 7.5 today. I mean 7,500 subs. I'm at almost 7,900, so she's almost there. But keep on subscribing to her channel, and if you would subscribe to mine too, if you will. And
he owes you coffee. I owe them coffee. I told them that.
I owe them only coffee if I get to 10K before you.
Okay.
Anyway, thanks for watching. I know you guys have seen a condo tour on my channel, but now it's on her channel and it's her version of it. So thanks for watching. See you on the next episode of Mia's
Adventure. Filipino Life with Mia.
And Paul's Asian Adventure. Thanks. Bye-bye.